Alright guys, I got no idea who these girls are. I just found them at the bar. I was like, you gonna hop in the Trackhawk? They said alright, so we'll see what happens. Worry about that.
Wait, find a street with a lot of speed bumps.
You don't gotta worry about that. We're gonna find those.
Let me clear my Put that shit up quick.
Them niggas get on y'all ass, y'all play with me like game work. Trying to gossip on the block like y'all ain't say my name.
We're like, oh my god, the boss up.
Guys, the most requested videos are back. We have another ride-along video coming today. 2 girls, 1 Trackhawk. You know what the vibes are with that. If you guys want to see the exclusive version, stick around to the end of the video. We're gonna go ahead and hop into the Trackhawk. It's super dirty, gonna get it cleaned up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got tons of shit coming, so let's go ahead and hop on into it. Old girl dirty. She due for a bath, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and get her right now. Alright, we got old girl all cleaned up. Sounding right, looking right. But yeah guys, if you don't know, I got wheels here for this thing. Just got it lowered too. The wheels are getting coated by my buddy Sean right now as we speak. So Sean's got my wheels right now, they're getting coated, and those will be going on shortly. They're supposed to be done, but their power coater fucking blaster broke, so they just got that thing fixed. Otherwise it'd be looking extra hot for the ride along today, but it's all good. But now I got her washed up, I'm gonna go get food, finish out my work day, and it's go time. Alright guys, I got no idea who these girls are. I just found them at the bar. I was like, you gonna hop in the Trackhawk?
Oh, are we live?
We said okay.
They said alright, so we'll see what happens.
If you guys make me black out before I get to Starbucks, I'm gonna be so mad.
I do not think that that's gonna be the goal. Did you drop your drink?
Yeah, I did one now.
We only had a couple.
Caitlin, is ooh, look at C8. Is Bose Plaid the fastest thing you've been at?
Yes, that shit scared the fuck out of
How
me.
fast is that?
Dude, I thought I fucking went into another dimension. I swear to God, that shit was terrifying.
They're
Bro,
definitely
I
not
went
as
to
good.
200 with no fucking windows, nothing. On fight.
That shit
What
was
up,
so
McDowell?
watch out.
This is Mexico. This isn't Clayton.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Tijuana cops are assholes.
Exactly.
Here.
Phone them. All right.
Skirt, skirt.
Now I got to figure out how to get to St. Louis or St. Guadalajara.
Guatemala. You know I'm from Guatemala, right?
Me too. He's listening like, God damn it.
This one's so fucking good.
Let's see this exposure
How
looking
far
like.
have you pushed it?
Actually, not that far yet. I've kind of driven less.
69%?
That's what she said.
Like a tame human being so far.
They fucking spelled pineapple. Look at this shit.
Oh, we got.
They forgot the E.
Oh my god.
Look at the
Hey, look behind us.
They forgot to put an E on pineapple.
Oh, it's the Hellcat.
Ah! Hellcats and
He
Trackhawks!
wants to play. No.
He said, big bad baby!
That was perfect timing.
Bitches on my line, I told them bitches get they lips wet.
Fun of this guy.
What the fuck? Why would we drive past the Hellcat?
We're gonna have fun of this. Dude's just in a
Holy
little,
shit!
he in a little scat pack, but we'll give it to him.
Little scat pack.
About to little bro him so hard.
Get on his ass, Jeremy! Get on his ass!
I feel like leash when I clutch my 30.
Dollars in my soul, red, Richard, Coca-Cola. Ain't got a show, big ass rocks on me like bowls. Felt like she's not talking. Yeah, I turned on the soul. My diamonds spark like liquid, wrist heavy.
He said, no!
Scat's following us.
Down, Bella!
Is he still back there?
Yeah.
Lost him.
He's playing hard to get.
There he is.
Boy, see you later.
let someone press that you're in here?
Oh.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, babe.
The titties be titties. Hey, Greg, hit a couple more bumps.
Oh, hey, you don't gotta worry about that.
Wait, find a street with a lot of speed bumps.
You don't gotta worry about that. We're gonna find those.
Find a street with a lot of speed bumps. Me and Haley gonna be over here.
See, they're with it. I found the right ones at the bar.
We'll be just fine.
They're with the shits.
He looks up on Google, what street in St. Louis has the most speed
bumps?
The bumps are on our chest, bitch.
Thank God St. Louis has a lot of potholes. Am I right or am I right?
Are you ready for the fun part?
Yeah.
You want
Well,
some
I think you
lube
need
for
to get. I
your
think you need to
lips?
get really ready.
Told them bitches get their lips wet. Told them bitches get their lips wet.
Like you literally should probably brace yourself.
Oh, really?
Unless you want that like to go down the back of your throat. Would you mind?
It would go down easy.
Let me clear my
Yeeted my ass to the motherfucking trunk.
He said here.
Told them bitches get their lips wet.
Oh fuck! That was not the time. You ever eat at fucking Broadway Oyster Bar? It's my favorite place.
Oh my god.
Huh?
I don't know.
Which one?
I'm not sure yet.
Big for me, please.
We got gang.
That bag.
We got the street riders.
Christopher, that's a bag.
They're scooter riders.
We got gang out here.
Gang, gang. Okay, he said, let me talk to my boy real quick. How's that? That ain't your boy, that's my boy.
You said what?
How much horsepower do you think they got?
Oh no, you got it.
Bro, what?
He doesn't got it.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
with it.
Look at this. I didn't need to flip this around. I'll get it on my phone. Look at him trying to block traffic. You're not even going anywhere.
Haley looks damn good in the Trackhawk.
Oh, you should let me hear it whine.
What?
Give it about.
Oh, fuck, Chris, just wait for me. I hear that near. Hey, Chris is hard now, so he said it gotta go.
That's how. Bitch, stock as a rock.
Stock is a
Stock
rock.
is a rock.
That's the glory side of a fucking Trackhawk. You don't even have to drop a cam in that bitch.
You don't have an intake on it?
Oh, it's got an intake. It's got an intake and exhaust. It's about to get the whole package done.
Hey, what about that, Christopher?
How long we got till I can go down there? How long we got till I can go down there?
Chris, you're trying to be featured on the YouTube video?
Or,
Alright.
yeah.
Other
You want to throw
way.
hands?
They're so weird about that there now. It's like that right here. Like this
It's a
street.
motherfucking trap station. He turned the camera on just in case anything happened.
Yeah.
Gotta record that shit.
Yeah.
Like,
Life,
Tell her I'm gonna text her.
tell me.
life goes on. It goes on.
Oh.
Cook that shit up quick.
How's that for a honk, dude? He said, screw us and try to
Go too fast. I don't even wear no seatbelt. That little bitch got no brakes. Upgrade, I got D cups. How about the range? I'm going.
Hey, Kate, remember the bumps?
Oh my god, so what?
There they were.
We make up invisible bumps. This is what Haley.
Yeah.
Haley. We're like this. Haley, we're like, oh my god, the bump.
What the fuck?
I'm about to blow out my brand new springs for y'all.
The St. Louis
This is for you
bottom
guys.
is
I'm
so
blowing out my
crazy.
brand new springs for you guys. Hi, Bach. I'm gonna need you to sponsor me after this, and I need a fresh set. God, that's,
He's like, Dr. Prada, hit me up.
yeah, no. Is that who did yours?
Yeah.
I knew you.
Both went to him.
I thought yours was someone else.
Yeah, I did not go to Dr. Prada.
What? Why?
But this would be a great advertisement for Dr. Prada.
Yes, it would.
That's a fucking good idea.
I'm
just-
saying.
I love
Dr.
Prada,
Prada, hit
you're
his
watching
line.
this.
Dr.
I'm about to
Prada,
pitch
I
you.
love
Dr. Prada.
you.
Guys,
Literally.
if your girlfriend's got fucking A's or B's, she needs C's or D's, all you do is go to Dr. Prada and...
Yo, turn these little back.
If your girl got A's or B's, she wants C's or D's, hit up, she wants to see.
No cap!
No cap!
Sign her! Hold on.
I've been wanting to hear what up for the next fucking the last 8 songs.
Ultra Rob Kenny money for what up? If
Oh,
you gotta agree to do the OnlyFans version for everybody.
okay.
Haley's already down.
You're funny.
I know I'm funny, but
That's your warning.
that's how you unlock what up. We'll see what she says.
Just give me the Glock so I can fit it in. No.
Oh no, not here.
Hey, bitch, what I brought over cold? He got the pose, double down.
Hey,
Turn
look,
up again.
I'm sick of telling you, nigga cannot fuck with me. You know what I'm talking about? You want me to get something? Hey, Ray,